because these are my eyes open, I guess, and I'm lightheaded. Oh god. Oh my god, I can't stop. Okay, obviously those was fake.